You know the problem. You're trying to use your MacBook and your power connector constantly disconnects. Sitting on the couch? There it goes. Watching a movie in bed? Oops. Working on the go? How frustrating. Put even the smallest thing on your desk, and later you'll find that your battery hasn't been charging. I love my Mac, but I've been so frustrated by the new power connector. Finally, after almost a year of frustration, I decided to create my own fix. I collaborated with Jerry Kuo, an experienced designer and inventor. We tested many different designs and invented the perfect solution. We call it the Snuglet. The Snuglet matches the superior manufacturing of your Mac. It is a precision-crafted ring that enhances the strength of the magnetic connection. The Snuglet stays connected when you want it to, but disconnects when it should. It never interferes with the proper operation of your computer and preserves the design and aesthetics of your Mac. The Snuglet never needs to be removed and won't accidentally fall out. However, a handy removal tool is included. To learn more, please visit snuglet.com.